Oh well, I'm back into Minkawa, taking this walk through here. Nearly knackered now, so ready to go home and look at the election coverage. It's going to start at 5:30 and then 6:30 I think on ABC, but I didn't like the way Leigh Sales was sort of smirking and doing, whether she's been offered a job by Murdoch somewhere else I don't know, but can she really be that naive? Can she really be that desperate that she's going to take a job with Murdoch? Or she can't realise that once Abbott's in, her job's going to be the first one to go, I reckon. What with that interview she did with Abbott early on in the year. But yeah, and what with the late information coming through about childcare changes and things like that, sneaking that through, that showed up on the project last night, right in the last 10 minutes I think. I think it was close to the last 10 minutes, can't quote me on that one, but it was somewhere right towards the end of the programme. And then we had that Bob Ellis article come out, you know, oh, I don't know, very late, very too late, you know. It's like that Kelly Chambers song, you're just a little bit late. I mean, why wasn't Bob Ellis writing that article, you know, 6 years ago or more? But anyway, we'll come up here and have a look, go down this pathway I haven't been down before, see what it looks like from the other side, and that's about it. Yeah, I'm nearly done, nearly knackered. You're the same ladies I saw before, aren't you? Aren't you? Go home and watch the election coverage. You don't blame me, I voted Labour. Yeah, look at these lilies. Quite nice, aren't they? I believe they're foreign. But anyway, beggars can't be choosers. Growing in amongst the mun trees. And maybe, I don't know, I want to take the path, I don't know, take this track and come down the path that way. That's if it goes all the way through. It seemed to. I suppose we'll find out. Oh, someone else walking through the park. Everyone's out today. Yeah. Big sleep in until Monday morning, I reckon. We're going to watch this. If this election coverage, I mean, I've got some channels listing it going on a wrap up until 1:30 in the morning. I could go later than that if it gets really interesting. With key marginal seats on a knife edge. Yeah, it could go postal. Joke. But yeah, I don't know. Oh, nice dog. Aren't you glad you don't have to vote, hey doggy? Don't blame me, I voted Labour. Yep. Well, this is rather nice, look at this. Just the right amount of sunlight. I hope you're picking this up. Oh, I'm on the wrong bloody setting on the camera. How did that happen? Oh, that means my footage down there at the pond is all stuffed up as well. Bugger.